Jai Hind to all. I am Dr. Saroj Kushwah, Assistant Professor in Department of CSE, Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today, I'll cover the topic of artificial intelligence. I have covered different topics related to this. First one is I'll discuss introduction, then definition of AI. Next, I'll cover the future of artificial intelligence, then characteristics of intelligent. After that, I'll discuss agents of AI and typical intelligent agents. And last, I'll describe the problem solving approach to typical AI problems. First, I'll discuss the introduction. Basically, first I cover the what do you mean by intelligence, then the artificial intelligence. Intelligence means it is a natural process, and artificial intelligence it is a programmed made by humans. Means the intelligence is automatically created by the nature. It is a natural process. And artificial intelligence, it is not a natural process created by the man or created by someone else. Second one, it is a hereditary, and artificial intelligence is not a hereditary. Means it is passed, means intelligence is passed from hierarchical, means parents to the child. But artificial intelligence, it not hierarchically, it is not passed from your parents to the child, because it is man-made, and then it is the products or any machinery which is made by someone else. Third one is the knowledge is required for intelligence. Here, the knowledge of someone means either from predicting someone else or observing someone else, watching someone else. This kinds of knowledge required. But in artificial intelligence, to work for artificial intelligence, it is nature to run any program need electricity to generate the output. Fourth one is the new human is an expert. We may get better solutions from other humans. Means not any humans or anyone have perfect. They can continue learns from the other one else whoever more intelligent than the oneself. And the instead of artificial intelligence, the expert system are made which aggregate many persons' experience and idea. This the artificially intelligence made by aggregate, means group of persons, means expert persons to create any machine. Intelligent. The definition of AI means it is the study of how to make computer do things at which at the moment people are better. Artificial intelligence is ability of a computer to act like human beings. Means here the definition it is include the definition we can also include the system that think like human, that act like human, that think rationally, system then act rationally. Think rationally or act rationally. Means a definition of artificial intelligence means to make an intelligence of any machinery which have the ability to learn, understand and work whatever the people want. And it is the means here it is related to the make any machine intelligent. It is a part of computer science. The AI is work based on the computer science because there are different tools and techniques used by the humans to make any machine intelligent. There are the different definitions given by some experts at the different time. First, Wellman in 1978 gave the definition of AI. It is the automation of activities that we associate with human thinking, activities such as decision making, problem solving, and learning, etc. Means it is related to the activities such as take a decisions and solve any problem. In 1985, Hogland gave the definition of AI is it is the exciting new effort to make computers think machine with minds in the full of literal senses. Another definition of AI is it is the art of creating machines that perform functions that require intelligence when performed by the peoples in 1990 by the Kushwah. And another definition is the study of how to make computer do think at which at the moment people are better. Rich and Knight, 1991. It is the study of mental facility through the use of computational model. Charnaik and MC Dermot, 1985. Then again, next, the Wisdom, 1992, the study of computation that make it possible to perceive reactions and act. The Luger and Stopfield in 1993 have idea behind the AI is it is the field of study that seeks to explain the emulate intelligent behavior. It gives the definition related to the intelligent behavior in terms of computational process. And the branch of computer science that means AI, it is the branch of AI, means branch of CS that concerned with the automation of intelligent behavior. Means it is the related to the machinery which gives the answers of any questions by observations from the environment, then gives the answers better than the humans. This is the another definition of AI, means AI is the study making computer do task better than humans at a moment. And AI enables machines. They can do think, act like humans and make rational decisions. In example, system can think, can walk or do tasks like as humans, act like humans, thinks rationally and act rationally. Think and act. It is related to think and act like as human. Branches of AI. There are different branches of AI. First one is the machine learning, then deep learning, natural language processing, robotics, expert system, and last is the fuzzy logic. Machine learning. First, I'll discuss about machine learning. Machine learning is it a technology which enables the computer to learn without explicitly programming, means without it work, without the intervention of humans. Types. It has the three types, basically supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. And apart from this, there are the another types of machine learning is the semi-supervised also. The applications of machine learning in classification, clustering, associations, and regression. Subset, deep learning, it is a subset of machine learning using neural network on large data set. It is the advanced version of artificial intelligence and the deep learning. Anyone wants to work on high dimensional data, then it is preferred. Then it is better to prefer the deep learning technology. Applications. The applications of deep learning is a self-driving car and voice recognition assistance, and face recognition on Facebook or etc. Natural language processing. Natural language processing, it is also known as a NLP. It is used for draw insights from human language for machines. Applications, the Twitter filter harmful languages, or it is related to different tweeters, not related to different tweeters. It is also used where anyone wants to work on review site, means where the human languages are used to create any system more useful or make better. The Amazon and improves the review analysis based on their reviews. Any company make their product better, or the forecasting of any product, either it is sell um, in future more or not. Robotics. Robotics focus on intelligent. It is a focus on intelligent robot. Then working in real world environment. Example: Sophia, the humanoid robot. In a robot, it's used their sensors for observation from the environment. Then after calculating, means based on whatever they observe from the environment, give the output. Fuzzy logic, it is a computing based on degree of truth instead of binary logic. Here we count the degree of truth. The applications of fuzzy logic, in which they are used most of the time in the medical field, automatic gearbox, and vehicle environment control. Whenever anybody wants to do work on a vehicle environment, they can use the fuzzy logic. Future of AI. Means there are goals of AI it is used in different field. First one is the transportation. In a transportation, there are one companies which is work on international level is the Tesla, and ADAS companies used in India, which work on self-driving car, means automation car. And second, future of AI in manufacturing, means AI powered robot which work on most of the field in the environment, and it is also used in healthcare for fast diagnosis, drug discovery, and virtual assistant. In our education layout, the AI is used for virtual tutors, students performance analysis, and there are also used different apps which is very useful for the students, like a chat gpt, chatbot, and etc. And there are multiple apps where the students can use, or any learner can use um, the different code applications, where you find out the code and add each and every languages easily. Mean different computer languages. Media, automatic reporting and journalism, and in last is the customer services. The AI assistant making human with the calls and for the customer services, then it can handle the customers based on their queries, or it is also used as a virtual assistant for the customer services. Now, here we give the overview of different AI applications. Where the AI is used, the AI application, AI is used in game playing, because in a traditional there is no digitized applications to play a game, but now the AI is used more than previous for game playing. The much of the early research game in a game playing was done using common board game such as checkers, chess, and the 15 puzzle. Game are generate extremely large search spaces. These are large and complex enough to require powerful technique for determining what alternative to explore. Automated reasoning is one of the most fruitful branch of the field. Here, the theorem proving research was responsible in formalizing search algorithm and developing formal representation languages such as predicting calculus and the logic of programming language. The another applications of AI is the expert system. One of the major insights from the early work in the problem solving was the instant of domain specific knowledge. The expert knowledge is a combination of theoretical understanding of any problems and the collection of heuristic problem solving approach and rules. Expert system currently have a different deficiency. First off, lack of flexibility. If the human cannot answer the questions immediately, then he can return to examination of first principle and come up with something. Second one is the inability to provide deep explanation. And last is the little learning from the experience. AI application area, there are the different area related to NLP, means natural language understanding semantics. Here the modeling human performance, capture the next is the modeling human performance. Here capture the human mind. Human mind means it is used for knowledge representations. And robotics is used to um, work more, means the work more than humans, and more means to make a robotics by the different peoples which can automatically observe the any humans or any machinery behavior, then work based on that. Another applications of AI is the machine learning, means learning that denote changes in the system that are adaptive, in the sense that enables the system to do same task drawn from the same populations more effectively and the more effectively than the next time. It is given by the uh, machine learning machine learning theorems in 1993. I will I will explain it, I will explain this more in a chapter 2. Decision tree is another example. There in a decision tree, first one I discussed as shown in figure, the age, the middle age, yes, the youth means either it is a student or not. Seniors means credit the rating. Student, that category is either yes or no. And the credit rating means either it is fair or the excellent. AI application area, another AI application area you can see in this diagram. Then they predict the different cells from any images, optimizing ACU, swan mental intelligence, and genetic algorithm. These all are used uh, uh, to capture the different disease from the by the image. And implementation. Deep Blue was a chess playing computer developed by IBM. Now, Watson is the artificial intelligence computer system capture of answering questions posed in natural language developed in IBM Deep QA project. Third one is the deep learning is a set of algorithm in machine learning that attempt to learn layered model input commonly neural networks. Assessment in the next lectures.